Every single video clip you are seeing was generated right here on a laptop with just 8GB of VRAM and 32GB of system RAM. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to generate this step by step, including the full ComfyUI workflow. For now, just enjoy the previews.
You look exhausted. Why don't you come in? The water is perfect. Houston, you're not going to believe this.
We're not gonna make it by nightfall. Draw your blade. Let's finish this.
That was intense. You ready for the next set?
Now keep in mind, these are just quick test results without any tweaking whatsoever. I'm focusing strictly on the text to video generation process in this video. I'll be doing a separate deep dive for image to video later on. The potential of this model is honestly immense. If you've just been browsing through these amazing generations from RTX 4090s and 5090s, feeling left out, welcome to the elite club. You can achieve almost the exact same results. You're just going to have to sacrifice a little bit of time. Honestly, this model doesn't need a lengthy introduction because it's basically everywhere right now. This is LTX 2. I'm using the Q6 version, which clocks in at 15GB. You can also grab the Q4K version if you are worried about stressing your system to its absolute limit. You can see all the one-click direct download links to all the models right here in the workflow. I didn't create this workflow myself, so I didn't modify it. The link here is for the Q8 version, but if you're rocking 8GB of VRAM and 32GB of system RAM, stick with the Q6 or Q4 versions. I'll provide all those links in the description. You can download the other models and drop them into the relevant folders in ComfyUI directly using the direct one-click links inside the workflow. Here is the Reddit page of the workflow's creator, and here's the post where he shared it. Please go give it an upvote and leave a comment. You can grab the JSON file using the link attached right here. Just hit download and it'll head straight to your downloads folder. Now, this part is important. It's going to download as a text file, so you have to manually rename it to a JSON file. Once you've renamed it, just drag and drop it right into ComfyUI. The next part is crucial. As of January 12, 2026, you have to manually install these custom nodes first. The workflow creator also provided the GitHub link to the custom nodes. Here's the GitHub page. I'm going to show you how to install this manually using the command prompt. It's actually pretty easy. First, go to your main ComfyUI directory, open the ComfyUI folder, and then opens the custom nodes folder. Delete the ComfyUI-GGUF folder first to make sure there aren't any conflicts. Then go up to the Windows address bar and type cmd and hit enter. You will have the command prompt open now. Paste the lines you see in the video description and hit enter. You will get a warning message because there are multiple lines. Just click paste anyway. That's it. Head back to your main ComfyUI directory, go inside the update folder and click update. Just to be safe, update the stable bat file before updating the others. After downloading the models, you need to place them in the relevant folders. Drop the LTX 2GGUF model inside the Unet folder. Text encoders go inside the text encoders folder. The video and audio VAE files go inside the VAE folder. LoRa models in the LoRAs folder. And finally, the upscale model goes inside the latent upscale models folder. Now, reload ComfyUI if you have it open. If it still says you have missing nodes, open the ComfyUI manager and click the install missing custom nodes option. Now, let's select the models. Open the subgraph. Select the LTX2 model in the GGUF Unet loader, the video VAE in the load VAE node, audio VAE in the KJ VAE loader node, the two text encoders in the dual clip loader node, LoRa models in the LoRa loader model only nodes, and finally the upscaler in the load latent upscale model node. Here you can see the resolution and video length. I'm generating 7-second 720p videos at 24 fps. You can check out my specs here on TechPower GPU Z. I'm running this on a laptop with an RTX 5060 and 32GB of dual channel system RAM. I'm also using the latest NVIDIA drivers. And this is the prompt I'm using for my first generation. You can see all the live details of the process right here. Well, I didn't tweak or test any settings beforehand because I wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. Honestly, I didn't think I'd be able to use this model on my laptop at all. So I'm pretty excited to show this to my fellow laptop users and anyone stick with 8 gigs of VRAM. I'll do some future videos showcasing the optimal settings and some LoRa models for this amazing LTX2 model. I'm running Google Chrome and OBS Studio in the background, but even with that, everything went smoothly throughout the whole generation process. It took me around 80 minutes to generate 7 clips. Each 24 fps 720p clip took around 10 minutes to generate. You definitely need at least 32GB of system RAM alongside your VRAM. Check out and analyze the live generation process so you will have a clear idea of resource allocation before trying this on your own system. See you in the next video.